Assalamu alaikum. This is Rokun Hussain, resource teacher English, Bolia Girls High School, Gamstapur, Chapadagoj. Dear students, how are you? I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. You are most welcome to my class. Today I am going to class about changing degree, and I think the students of class 6 to 10 must be benefited from this class. So students, my request to you, you will listen this class very carefully and follow my structure. Okay, thanks. Let's start our class. At first, I will discuss with you about degree and its classification, and then I will show you how we can easily change degree in the sentences. Following some simple technique. Okay. Degree, this is the first question. What do you mean by degree? Actually, degree is the different form of adjective and adverb, and there are three kinds of degree, you know. First of all, positive degree, second comparative degree, and third superlative degree. What do you mean by positive degree? This is the first question. Positive degree actually the base form of adjective and adverb, and you will find there the original form, such as these are the example of positive degree. And our next is comparative degree. What do you mean by comparative degree? Comparative degree actually is the comparison between two different objects or two different persons. Here the original form of adjective must be changed, and you can change it by using er, only r, IER, or more. If you want to use more, you should have there more syllable, and then you can use more. Okay, such as more beautiful. These are the example of comparative degree. Here look, we have used more in third number because there are more syllable, so we have used here more before the adjective. Okay, our next degree is superlative degree. Superlative degree is the comparison to all or everything. Here also the shape of adjective or adverb must be changed, and you can use there est, iest, most. Okay, you will use most when you will find more syllable in the word. Okay, now I will show you how we can easily change degree in the sentences. Actually, we see that in the examination our students cannot answer properly because they memorize different rules and they forget rules in the examination. But if you follow some short technique, you can easily answer this degree in the examination. Okay, I will show you short technique. superlative. Look, here is positive, comparative and superlative. Number 1, no other. In comparative, then all other. Number 2, now I will explain it to you. Okay, listen very carefully. Look at the first one. In positive degree, you see there is used no other, and in comparative degree we have used then any other or then all other, and in superlative degree we have used the. In number 2, we have used very few in the positive degree, and in comparative degree we have used the most other or then few other, and in superlative degree we have used one of the. If you find no other in the positive degree and you are asked to make comparative degree, you have to use there then any other or then all other. And if you are asked to make superlative degree from positive degree, then if you find there no other, you will have to use there the. And if you find comparative degree, then any other, then all other, and you are asked to make positive degree, then you will use there no other. And if you find it then any other or then all other in the comparative degree and you are asked to make superlative degree, then you will use there the. And if you find in superlative degree the related and you are asked to make comparative degree, then you will use there then any other or then all other, and in positive degree you will use there no other. Okay. Number 2, in positive degree you will find very few, and if you are asked to make comparative degree, then you will use there then most other or then few other, and if you are asked to make superlative degree then you will use there one of the. Okay. Look, if you find comparative degree and you are asked to make positive degree, you will use there very few. That means if you find then most other or then few other, and you are asked to make, if you are asked to make superlative degree, then you will use there one of the. And these are related to each other, and these are related to each other. Okay. Now I will show how you can use positive degree and how you can make sentence from comparative or superlative to positive degree. Okay. You will follow only one structure. Okay. You will follow only one structure, and this structure will help you to make positive degree from comparative or superlative. Only one structure. Subject. Okay, dear students, now I will explain it to you. Look, here we see no other or very few. So this is the question, when you will use no other or very few in the sentence to make it positive. Okay, look this structure. Number 1. Here you see no other. Okay, in comparative degree, if you find then any other or then all other, and in superlative degree, if you find the, then you will use no other to make it positive degree. And if you find then most other or then few other in the comparative degree, or if you find one of the in the superlative degree and you are asked then to make it positive degree, then you will use their very few. Okay, next part of superlative. Okay, that means if you find superlative degree, the related or one of the related, you will then use the next part of superlative degree. Or if you find then most other or then few other, that means or then any other or then all other, and you are asked to make it positive degree, then you will use the next part of other, and next you will use their verb, and next you will use as, and here you see I have used ... That means here you will use adjective, and then you will use again as, and next you will use subject at the end. Okay, now I will show you an example to make it clear. He is the tallest boy in the class. You have to make it positive. Okay. How we can use it? I have already shown you a simple structure of making positive degree. First of all, you know we have to use no other or very few. What we will use there? This is the question now. No other or very few. Look, there is the, and look at the structure number 1. You find here also the. That means it's a superlative degree, and you have to use no other. Okay, you have to use here no other. Look, in superlative degree you find the, and in positive degree you find no other. So we will use there no other. Not we will use here very few, because it is in the number 2. No other. Then you got the next part of superlative degree or the next part of other. Here we have already cleared that this is a superlative degree, so we have to use the next part of superlative degree here. Look, this is superlative degree and next part is here. No other boy in the class. Then we will use verb according to our structure. Here is verb is, and then we will use as. I have already used here. Then adjective tallest, we will use here tall, because we are making it positive degree. Then we will use again as, and at last we will use subject. Subject here he. This is our positive. This is our positive degree. No other boy in the class is as tall as he. Our example was he is the best boy in the class. it was the superlative degree, and we have make it positive degree. Okay, I will show you one more example from comparative degree to make it positive degree, as it was superlative degree. Look, you are asked here to make it positive degree. What type of sentence is it? Look, there is, then any other. It is the symbol of comparative degree, and you look our structure. At first you look our first one, then any other. Here we find then any other, and we will make it now positive degree. So we have to use here no other to make it positive degree. So now I will make it positive degree. Okay, I think you can easily make it positive degree. So I will change it to show you the use of very few. Okay. Now look at the second structure. Here we have used then most other. In the second structure we find then most other. So we have to use here very few to make it positive. Very few. Then we have to use the next part of superlative degree. Here you know it is not a superlative degree, it's a comparative degree. Then most other related. Okay, so we will use now the other part of this sentence. Now we will use here verb. You have to remember, when you will find very few or then most other, then few other, or then few other, you have to make the, you have to use plural number of verb. So here you see we have was, so we will make it were. Then we will use as. And next, positive degree. Then we will use again as, and next subject. Look, he was wiser than most other men in the village. It was positive degree, and we have now made positive degree using very few. So very few men in the village were as wise as he. It was our positive sentence. Okay, dear students, I think you are now clear about our topic, and I think you can easily now change comparative degree or superlative degree if you find in the sentence, and you will easily make it positive degree. In our next class, we will again discuss about the next part of degree. That means in the next class we will discuss how we can easily make superlative degree and comparative degree from other sentences. Okay, no more today. See you again our next class. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.